Oh, baby. Quiet. Oh, yeah. What do you think of that, bro? 30 hours of labor? We're both as nervous as can be. Almost shaking inside, so nervous. Got so much invested in it.
See,
money and time.
Not loud at all.
It's silent. Your valve train is silent. I hear injectors. I don't hear your lifters at all.
Quite enough. There was a little bit of noise in the beginning, but it's gone.
Let's go drive this thing.
Nope.
Full throttle. Runs great.
I'm just happy my truck's running.
Me too. And nice and quiet. You can hear just a hint of lope. This is a Texas Speed Stage 1, which is equivalent to a Brian Tooley Stage 2 pretty much. This is a mild daily driver. Fuel mileage was of essence, so we didn't want to go any more aggressive, and I think we've accomplished that goal. Muffler delete, flap delete. Sounds good, but it's quiet. We're loving it.